trying to decide between Real Debrid, Alldebrid, and Alluc? Well, here's a quick breakdown. Real Debrid is the topic for most streamers. It works flawlessly with Kodi, Sinclair, and Stremio, pulling tons of high quality cache links in 1080p and even 4K. It's fast, cheap, and super easy to set up. Alldebrid does the same, but supports even more hosters, over 250 total. It also includes torrent catching, a few bonus tools like a Chrome extension and a subtitle fetcher, but it's slightly less supported in popular streaming apps compared to Real Debrid. Now, Alec is different. It's not a Debrid service. It's a search engine that indexes streaming links from across the web. Alec was powerful back in the day, but it shut down years ago. Some clones exist still now, but they're not really secure or reliable. So the verdict will be for streaming performance and app support, go with Real Debrid. For host variety and extra tools, try Alldebrid. And for link scraping, Alec is outdated and no longer recommended. If this really helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite in the comments.